Hello students, in this video we are going to do the project Temperature and Humidity on OLED with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that we need humidity sensor, OLED display, jumper wires and an Arduino Nano from our kit. To do the project we need to create the circuit as per the schematic diagram. Connect STA on the OLED to Arduino Nano pin A4. And connect SCL on the OLED to Arduino Nano pin A5. Connect the humidity sensor data pin to Arduino Nano pin D2. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Arduino Nano using the Arduino IDE as shown in our previous tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project to check and it shows temperature and humidity on OLED display. Have you seen this project anywhere? Home weather station. Track the temperature and humidity levels at home, useful for maintaining indoor comfort or growing conditions for plants. The same mechanisms is used in this project. Thank you.